Well, Andrew Chappelle takes a closer look now at the economic fallout.
The largest stock market in the Middle East suffered its biggest fall for 4 years, within hours of Donald Trump ramping up the pressure on the Saudis. The Tadawul in the Saudi capital Riyadh fell almost 7% as it opened on Sunday morning. That wiped out all its gains made this year before recovering to close 3.5% down.
We're going to get to the bottom of it, and there will be severe punishment.
Investors reacted to the warnings by Donald Trump, who's made it clear that the kingdom will be severely punished if it's behind the disappearance and apparent murder of Washington Post contributor Jamal Khashoggi. Saudi Arabia rejects both the accusations of involvement and threats of punishment, and is promising to retaliate against any sanctions with bigger ones of its own.
There seems to be more questions than answers.
Those comments will do little to settle investors' nerves as business leaders and media sponsors take a step back from Saudi Arabia's so-called reform agenda. The president of the World Bank is among several influential leaders who've already said they won't attend a key investment conference in Riyadh next week. Dubbed Davos of the Desert, it's aimed at propelling the kingdom into its latest vision for the future. But Uber's absence may be noticed the most, since the Saudis have invested billions of dollars in the U.S. ride-hailing company.
A lot of big names and a lot of big media organizations have pulled out. So this is not good. And the whole basis of the Vision 2030, the very forward-looking economic policy to bring Saudi Arabia, wean it off oil, bring it into the 21st century, really depends on working with foreign partners and getting investment in there. I don't think they will pull out completely, but right now it's too toxic.
The U.S. Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin is under pressure from U.S. senators not to go. But the Trump administration wants to maintain billions of dollars worth of weapons orders and the U.S. jobs that go with them. When the Saudi Crown Prince visited the White House, Trump presented the kingdom's shopping list as one of his crowning achievements. Andrew Chappelle, Al Jazeera.